Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue. Many of us face loose seams on our beloved denim. Whether it's your favorite jeans or a denim jacket, a loose seam can be a real fashion buzzkill. But don't worry, it's a fixable problem. I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to fix those loose seams and keep your denim looking its best. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a needle, thread that matches the color of your denim, or close enough, a pair of scissors, and a seam ripper just in case. You need to remove any old stitches. A thimble can also be helpful to protect your finger as you push the needle through the fabric. Alright, step 1: assess the damage. Carefully examine the loose seam. How long is it? Where is it located? This will help you determine the best approach for the repair. If the seam is only slightly loose, you might be able to simply stitch it back together. If it's completely unraveled, you might need to re-sew a larger section. Step 2: prepare your thread. Cut a length of thread that's about 18 to 24 inches long. Thread your needle. For extra strength, you can double the thread and knot the ends together. This creates a stronger stitch, especially important for areas that get a lot of wear and tear. Step 3: start stitching. If the seam is just slightly loose, you can use a simple running stitch. This is where you pass the needle in and out of the fabric along the seam line. If the seam has completely come undone, you might want to use a back stitch for a more secure hold. The back stitch is stronger and is created by bringing the needle up through the fabric, taking a stitch backward, and then bringing the needle up again, further along the seam line. Try to follow the original stitch line as closely as possible. Step 4: securing your stitches. Once you've stitched the loose seam back together, it's important to secure the ends of your thread. This prevents your repair from unraveling again. You can do this by tying a knot, or by making a few small, tight stitches over the top of each other. Cut off any excess thread. Step 5: the finishing touches. Give your repair a final inspection to make sure everything looks neat and tidy. You might want to press the seam with an iron to help it lay flat. And that's it. Your loose seam should be fixed and your denim ready to wear again. Bonus tip: if you're not comfortable hand sewing, you can use a sewing machine for this. Just make sure to use a needle and thread appropriate for denim. And remember, take your time. With a little patience, you can easily repair loose seams and extend the life of your favorite denim pieces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.